Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm looking at an item that I purchased myself, and I have an Apple Watch Ultra 2 and I wanted to add a screen protector to it. So I ordered this online. I ordered on Amazon, got it in 2 days, and I just want to show you and give you an installation how to install this on your Apple Watch. So let's go over this real quick. Let's see what's in the kit. It's come with a little information in the package. It does come with basic instructions, but I'm just going to show you how to install it. It's just easier that way. So in this kit here, it does come with 3 applicators. Now, each one of these applicators has a built-in automatic alignment already designed to line up into your Apple Watch, which is really, really nice and easy. So I like that quite a bit. That's what I liked about them. You can get them without that, but they're less expensive. But then again, if you don't do it right, you're just wasting them. This way you have a couple of extra, and which is really, really nice. It also gives you 3 sets of kits in here to do the cleaning, which is really nice. Let's look at that real quick. So each one of these comes with a wet wipe. What is this? And a dust absorber. So dust absorber means this, you want to just go over it and tap it after you clean it and make sure there's no dust on it before you apply the final product. So let's go over this. Let's just put this, there should be 3 sets in here, which they are. And there are 3 sets of this cleaning wipes and drying wipes as well right here. So here's our install. We have the applicator with the actual protective layer. This is supposed to be really high quality, scratch resistant polymer, like a high quality. Is a tempered glass protector, auto alignment tray, and a mask film. And with the auto alignment, there's really one of the biggest things I really liked about this quite a bit. So that's really the main thing about this. So let's go over this real quick. Let's just do first. The first step is the wet, and then the cleaning wipe, and then I do the dust absorber at the end, just in case there's anything left over. So let's just do that first. Now, the secret is really do a good cleaning with the cleaning wipe to get all the dust off. That is like probably the super most important step out of all this. So this is like a wet nap. And you really want to clean the watch really good. Now, just get in there, take your time, go all around the edges, and don't be afraid. Don't rush. The idea is to really get it clean. Fingerprints, dust, things like that. So just keep doing it around and around, as you can see me doing here. Super easy, just like that. Now, the second thing is you want to dry it, right? You actually make it wet, you want to dry it. So let's pull out the dry wipe here, right? Super easy. Take that and let's just dry it. Just go around and around, same idea over and over, and just make sure it's dry. So once you dry it, do the other side. And this is just a dust absorber, just in case there's any extra dust on it. That's what this is for. And you just want to just tap it around, and it just helps you get rid of any loose particles of dust. Go like that. It really gets anything extra on here. You're going to have no issues whatsoever. Now, you want to do is take this out of the package. Okay. Now, what's cool about this design, it shows you where the watch is right here. And this is actually going to face right down with the crown, so you can see that. So it's super easy. That matches the crown. Now, you got a film here. You want to pull this inner film off. Pull off the inner film. That is off. That is gone. Now we just want to put it on top of the watch, and you want to line it up. That is the secret. And let's just do that. And that is on there like that. And then you just tap it. Okay? Tap it just like that. All around. And remove it. Just like that. And basically it's going to go all around. And just move your fingers all around it. Now that is installed just like that. Super easy. All the bubbles will come out. Just like that. Move it all around with your finger. Now I like to use the dry napkin here just to go around and just make sure everything is all seated correctly. So just some close-ups here. I want you to really see how it just looks so beautiful that you just tap it. Everything works nice and easy. You can see that. Everything responds beautifully, even with that cover on. It just really, really works well, and I love it. And it's just responsive, and you can see it's crystal clear. It did a nice job. Just really, really high quality stuff here. And you can just see, here's my steps for the day. You can see how everything responds. Super easy, nice and fast. I got 8,500 steps in today. There's a temperature. Everything's on here, and you can just see how beautiful everything. Here's the compass. You can see how beautiful that is. Everything is super clean, and I definitely just love the look of that. It's nice and protected. You don't know about scratching it or banging it, because you don't want to bang a $700 or $800 watch up, especially when you want to trade in or sell it. You want to make sure it's in good shape, and that's really the main thing about it. You can do it yourself, not to worry. It comes with multiple sets. If you make a mistake, you can do it again. And the bubbles do come out. Just don't worry about that. Just take your time, and it's got a nice finish on it, and it works beautiful. It was actually very simple, and you can see there's an outer protector here, so that protects the from the inside as well. You put it on the watch and you're good to go. And that's what I have for you guys. Okay, so I hope I taught you and hope you learned something. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this type of videos. This is a nice how-to video to give you some information on how to change watches, how to fix things, and how to actually add screen protectors on your watch, because you just never know when something's going to happen and you want to protect the watch. Here we go. And the Ultra 2, I definitely recommend. I love this Ultra. Ultra 2 is a nice big watch. I actually really enjoy it, and I really am loving it. And you want to protect that screen because it's expensive, so you want to make sure everything is done and protected. And that's what I have for you. All right, guys. Appreciate it as always. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you at the next review.